are starting to introduction how to use our Smart Diaper app at the sensors. Now we are pairing the Smart Diaper sensors to the app. The users can input the patient's name and his age. Then now it's done to pair. And our Smart Diaper sensor app will get the environmental humidity and the temperature, and use it as basic information to detect the diaper is wet or not. And the Smart Diaper sensor we just need to attach to the diapers outside, the outside of the diaper. And if the temperature and the humidity raise, the diaper app will alarm and remind the user to change the diaper. And when we change the diaper, we just push the change diaper, and when we change the diaper finish, and we just press the finish, it will record the diaper's usage, and you can see the diaper log, daily log, for example, when to change the diaper, or how many times we change the diaper. Even you can see the log.